So today's video is going to feature pretty bob and pixie haircut ideas. This first one is by Demi Lovato. Absolutely love that pixie style cut. And then next up we see a few undercut pixies. And then we see more of the shaven short haircuts, as well as this gorgeous bob transformation. Love how the stylist is doing more of an angled bob with this look, leaving more hair in the front. And this is kind of more of like a Pixie cut because it does have that undercut feel to it. And it is a nice mix of a pixie as well as a bob. And then next up, I'm not even sure what exactly you would classify this hairstyle as, but it's definitely giving me retro vibes. And I think that the hint of red that she has within her undertone is absolutely gorgeous. Very pretty, very muted. It's like a muted red. And the hairstyle kind of reminds me of like a mullet variation. And then here we see this gorgeous little shoulder length bob with the bangs in the front. This is absolutely a staple haircut that would work for many different face shapes. Bangs are going to be huge in 2022. So if you're definitely feeling inspired to shake up your look, but you don't want to do anything too drastic, bangs are definitely a great way to go. So here we have another gorgeous pixie haircut. And then we are going to see this cute classic bob transformation. It looks as if she has naturally wavy hair, so it's nice to see a bob done on someone other than someone with straight hair. It's nice to see someone with some texture. So at first, the stylist is playing around with a lob, and then I think he just decided, or she decided, that they wanted to go shorter with the look. And then here he is setting it with that spray. All right, so now we see an older woman, and this one is going to be an undercut. And then we see this gorgeous undercut transformation with this bob. She had super long hair to begin with, and the stylist is cutting it all off and just kind of trimming the sides and just giving that lovely undercut classic shape to this overall pixie cut. I would actually say that this, you could consider it to be a long pixie, or you could consider this to be more of an undercut bob. It just depends on how you want to look at it. And then here we have a look at this gorgeous classic bob. And then we see a transformation for an angled bob, inverted bob. Loving the longer hair in the front, shorter in the back. This definitely adds more volume overall to the hair. Then we see this gorgeous, cute pixie cut. And this is pretty much like a shaven down pixie because she did do a tapered back. And it does have more of that shade feel. And then we are going to see this gorgeous bob. I absolutely love her lip color. I think it is so pretty. And the dark hair just looks so healthy. Next up, we see a bit of a textured bob. This is more of that French girl classic bob style. Another bob transformation. She's going from long to short. The stylist is just cleaning up the lines, making sure that the back is nice and even. Her hair looks so thick, full, and healthy. All right, and last we are going to see another bob transformation. So with this one, she is going from long hair to this classic. I would actually consider this more of a lob because it does end around the shoulders and it offers up some more length than a classic bob haircut would.